always remember, money is not the root of evil, but lack of money is the root of every evil. And most important part, we cannot survive without money, and money is important, and it's like oxygen. We need the flow of oxygen to survive, to live, right? The same way we need money, we need abundance, we need the wealth. In this particular video, I will just guide you, I will just give you few points how we can attract more money, how we can attract more clients, how we can attract more business with the help of law of attraction. And this is something which I have personally used for a long period of time, and I can see and I can guarantee basically it works, and it works every time, whether you believe it or not. Like the law of gravity, if you just if you just fall from any building, you will just go down, right? In the same way, whether you believe it or not, if you are spreading, if you are energizing yourself with the right mindset, with the right vibration, it will work, and the same thing will come back to you. Before jumping into those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh, and in this particular video I will be just guiding you how you can create the awareness of money, how you can get more money, how you can just increase our subconscious vibration, so that we can get more money, we can get more business, we can get more clients, we can get more contracts, whatever you might desire or whatever you might looking for. All right, the most important thing what we need to understand, that to get anything we need to remove our negative beliefs. So we have various of negative beliefs, like money doesn't grow on the tree, we don't have money, I don't have money to pay my bills, I don't have money to pay my EMIs or loans or whatever. All right, so we need to just get rid of those kind of beliefs. I understand your current reality, and you might face various of personal issues, various of financial issues, and everyone in this world goes through this journey, and it is very common. And yes, we need to accept it, we need to acknowledge that fact. Yes, I have some negative belief, I have that wrong relationship with money, I have wrong relationship with my wealth, and we need to change that negative belief. So we need to think in terms of how other successful people are thinking. So yes, they are not saying I don't have money. I understand they might have money, but everyone has their own limit, right? There is always some next level to go. Probably if you just think about Ambani or any successful people of the world, they have their level of journey, and as I said, everyone has own journey, everyone has next level to climb. And yes, everyone has some sense of negativity in their mind, and it is completely okay if you have some negative beliefs about money, negative beliefs about any other things, probably in terms of your business or in terms of your clients, in terms of your relationship with the clients or something. So we need to get rid of those things. All right, and in this world, every business you can classify in those categories. Either someone is selling products or someone is selling services or hybrid model. So we need to think before getting money, what we can give, what services we can bring into the table, what products we can bring into the table which will bring money. And money is something which is a kind of a reward, and to get into that reward you need to deliver service, we need to deliver some products, we need to deliver some something to get the thing, get the money, right? And again, so we can only eliminate we can only get into that level by eliminating negative belief first. All right, so if you want to get something which you never had, you have to do something which you never did. And this is what it is very important. We need to think in terms of how you can give something, how you can give some services, how you can give some of your products, so that you can acquire money, we can earn money. Sometimes back when I was my business was not running so smoothly, and I decided, I just sat on a fine day and I decided, okay, what is wrong? And I was just checking some of the stats, some of the data pointers, and I realized, yes, I'm not giving some right input to my mind, I'm not learning various of things which I used to learn, I'm not giving my time for my self development, and that's the thing which hurt me. And yes, I understood, okay, this is some gap area which I need to fulfill to get into my desired state. And this is something very important, and we need to just be with that mindset of abundance. Okay, and most important thing, everyone thinks that money will automatically come, but yes, no, money will not automatically come unless you do something to bring that money, to attract that money. Second thing what you can do, you can just go with the flow, and you can just create a money magnet mindset. And yes, this is something which will not come overnight, and there is a solution for that. Once you just eliminate negative beliefs, you need to understand, you need to inculcate the positive beliefs. The positive beliefs will come from the affirmation, and this will create a money mindset magnet. And yes, as I said on the very beginning of this particular video, everything whatever I am sharing, this is my personal experience, and I have gained huge amount of, tremendous amount of result from the strategies which I am sharing in this particular video. All right, so affirmations are something which is really impactful, and this is just to train your subconscious mind. So once upon a time I used to say, okay, I don't have money, but right now I say to my subconscious mind, I'm a money magnet and I can attract anything and everything. I can buy anything and everything with the help of money. I can purchase anything without even checking my bank account or maybe whatever the balance I have. So this is something which I have incalculated, and I have few set of affirmations related to money, related to health, related to wealth, related to various other areas related. Again, it's something like discipline, procrastination, everything will cover in this particular thing. And yeah, this affirmations are really helpful, and you can just download a few of the affirmations from internet, from Google, or maybe you can just write down in pen and paper, and you can just read at least twice before going to bed or after waking up in the morning. So this is the time when your subconscious mind, when our subconscious mind is much more receptive, and if we just work on our mindset part related to money, related to wealth, everything will automatically fall in place. The next thing what you need to understand, that is visualization. Visualization is nothing but the science of seeing unknown. Okay, I'm repeating it again. Visualization is nothing but the science of seeing unknown. Okay, so probably if you want to earn maybe 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 30 lakhs or whatever might be the goal, if you want to earn that much amount of money, just visualize when you are into when you are in bed, or maybe after waking up, maybe when you are into rest mode. You can visualize, okay, how your life would be, what will be your daily activities, or maybe what will be your plan of action for the week, or something on that note. Okay, just place yourself on that desired state. Okay, I have already reached to that desired state, whatever I want, and I'm being on that state. And by being on that state, automatically your awareness will spread, automatically your vibrations will increase, and this will give you the boost and confidence about working hard. Because once we know where we are going, and we just need to understand that we need to supply the action ladder to climb into that success point. Okay, and this is something which we all need to understand, that if we can visualize that perfect work, so we have to visualize, and we need to get more, give more to receive more. And again, there is a very nice quote. I forgot the author of the quote. He said, whatever goes around, that comes around. All right, so if you want to give more, if you want to get more money, you have to give money. All right, now you might say, okay, you don't have money, how you can give? Okay, that's okay, but money is like a flow of energy. All right, so probably you might not have hundreds of dollars, or maybe thousands of dollars, or whatever, but you might have something to give into some charity, or maybe something to give into some people. Okay, if you don't have money, give your time. If you don't have your time, give something else. All right, so you need to give something to get something. This is the golden law, whether you believe it or not, it works. All right, so what I do every month before 5th, I just give my part of charity before just paying for other things. And this is something which I have learned from one of my mentor, and really thankful for that skill. I have inculcated that skill and that discipline of giving constantly. And yes, this makes the flow of circulation, flow of money. All right, the circulation of money by giving and receiving. This is something very impactful. right? And next thing what you have to do, you need to have a practice gratitude instead of complaining, because in this particular world people are much more likely to complain on various of things, like I don't have that, I don't have this. So instead of complaining, if you just practice gratitude, okay, I have that, I have so and so thing, I can buy so and so thing. So something related to gratitude, why, or maybe why you are happy, how you are feeling on that moment, and that thing is creating a different set of vibration. And we all are living in the energy, we all are living in the vibration, and that's why the sense of gratitude creates a different set of vibration to which helps to attract more and more abundance, more and more impact on your life, more and more money. So I believe I was just able to give you some little overview how you can how you can attract more money, how you can attract more wealth, how you can attract more business with the help of mind power, or using a law of attraction. So let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below, and make sure you just smash like button so that algorithm get the signal to show it to different people who might need it. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.